I reckon what you ended wanting to know is how to change this port out. This is what a new one looks like. This here's your part number. You'll need a couple of screwdrivers and a trim tool or two if you got them. You might ought to put the brake on before you start this job. Take your screwdriver and pull this plug out. There's a button in there you'll have to mash down so you can put it in neutral. This is that button. Use a trim tool to pop that boot out. The shifter's made to pull straight off. Just give it a jerk. Put that tool in there and try to pop that cover up. It helps if you pull up on it with your other hand. Unplug that cover and set it out of the way. Pull these screws out and put them somewhere where they won't get lost. Lift up on that tray and pull it out. Press these tabs in and unplug everything. There's a couple of more tabs on this port you'll have to press in to get it out. Do one side first and then the other. This here is the hardest part of the whole deal. Just keep at it until you get it. It took a mite longer than what it looks like. Them doors got to be open before you can pull it out. This is that new one. Plug all these back in just like they was. Make sure these hooks go behind that tab. Shove them wires back down in that hole. Don't drop them screws down in there. You never will get them back. Line all these clips back up when you put that cover back on. Don't forget to plug this deal back in. Push that knob back down on that shifter. Put that boot back down in there. And put this plug back in that hole. Alright then.